making a little earth crayon because today's Earth Day. And Earth Day, we celebrate the earth, we reduce, reuse, and recycle. So let's get into the craft. What you are going to need for this DIY is crayons, a cupcake holder, and cupcake pan. So the first step is you're gonna take like your crayons. Like we just have a bunch of random crayons laying around our house, and you're gonna peel off the wrapper and break them in half until you can't. Like I can't break it in half. And then put it in these like little cupcake holder things. It's fine if you don't have plastic ones. And you should use green crayons and blue crayons and different colors. So they're gonna be like super cute. And doesn't matter the size. So I filled up the other circle thingies with water so that they don't get all crisped up. So I'm gonna set it down and open the oven. Heat your oven to 280 and then put it in very carefully. It should bake to 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer. It's been like 11 minutes, so now I'm gonna take my little Earth Day crayon beads out. So careful. Oh, there's yellow in there. How did yellow get in there? This water is literally boiling. So now it's gonna cool for an hour, and yeah. Here's my final results. Here's this one, and this one. I think this one looks the most like Earth, but now we gotta pop them out. And if you use these cupcake things, it will be like zigzaggy. So there. And you can even look on the back, and that one looks kind of like Earth, I guess. And here's this one. They look kind of like bottle caps. This one it leaked out because there's a hole in it, hole in the cupcake thing somewhere. Ooh, it looks cool on the back. So here's my little earth crayons. I hope you enjoyed my video. Remember to give this a like and subscribe. Bye y'all, stay creative.